back here, and I have
Gio, guess what? I found this really cool leaf.
Whoa, I have a really good idea. So, hey guys, it's Gio back here in Gio's Crafts, and today I'm actually having a special guest with me. It's my sister. Hi! So today we're going to be doing a leaf etching, and we're just gonna explain how it works. It's gonna be super fun. So, let's get crafting. So first, you guys are kind of gonna need some leaves because it's like in the name, so it's like you kind of need it. So let's go pick up some leaves. So now that you have all your leaves that you want, you are going to go grab some paper and some colored pencils. All your materials, we're gonna start crafting the leaf etching. So you want to go on a little bit of a flatter surface with no ridges, and now what you do is you have your leaf of any type, your leaf, you're gonna have your paper, and you're gonna put your leaf down, then your paper on top of it. Your paper on top of your leaf. Then you're gonna choose a colored pencil. So now that you've chosen your colors, once again, as many colors as you want, you remember where your leaf is on the paper because you can't see it. And you're gonna take your colored pencil. Don't press too hard down when you're tracing the leaf because it would like press down, break the paper, break the leaf, and it wouldn't work. So you want a light place. And then it kind of just starts to get the ridges of the actual leaf. You got it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's like here. And then you can also do it on any type of leaf. So guys, before I show you our final artwork, I just want to say that this really depends on the leaf you choose, the color, and this will take a lot of practice to get this perfect. So just don't stress out about it and keep practicing. And now we'll show you our final artwork. So guys, this is how our artwork turned out, and as you can tell, not all of it is the best because it was our first time, and we used a bunch of different methods just to see how it turned out in the comparison to see which one was better. So guys, thanks for watching me and my sister do these leaf etchings, and make sure to take your time, like I said, and just keep practicing if you really want to get good at it, but it's just for fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this tutorial how to do it. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to comment any other crafts you would like to see me do. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye!